So we've got an update today about the way that Lorepit handles media formats and how you can handle custom formats via plugins. So the first thing we're going to look at is how Lorepit can now read different media formats. So I'm using a bunch of content that Netflix put out as open source for one of their productions. So I can jump into here. And this is a really interesting repository. So first of all, it's about 5 gigabytes in size, and this is all binary data. And this is real production content from this production. And I can jump into here, have a look into drawings, and these are the original PSD files, Photoshop files that the artist created. And Lorepit can preview these. And it will show me the preview of the image, but then also all of the layers as well. And the diff will actually work here as well. So if new layers have been added between two versions, then I can see that in here. And it's a good way of seeing what has changed. And obviously I can see the preview as well. But what happens if you have custom media formats that Lorepit doesn't know anything about? To handle that, we've added plugins, and plugins are custom code that you register as part of your repository that Lorepit can then use to display your content that it doesn't know anything about. And for an example, I've used the Quake MDL file format. And so out of the box, Lorepit doesn't know anything about MDL. But what we've done is we've created a repository with a Lorepit's plugin folder, and in here we have the source code for a plugin that knows how to decode and preview using WebGL these Quake MDL assets. And obviously you can use this for your own file formats as well. So if we jump back to the root, jump into models, let's come down here and have a look at a daemon, for example, and this will tell me that it's about to load a plugin. And it'll also let me know that it's about to use the graphics card. I can run this once, or I can choose to always run and trust this. So if I trust this plugin, I never have to see this again. So if we run once, we can see that it's loaded up the custom plugin. It's loaded the asset and is now displaying it. And so we've actually got a couple of different plugins registered here. We have the one which displays it as 3D graphics, but then also another one which just shows us the content as well. And you can add multiple plugins here as well to view your data in different ways. So using the combination of the inbuilt browsers and the ability to extend Lorepit with your own media types, you can provide a very rich experience for your artists and your developers so they truly understand the contents of the repositories. Thank you for having a look at this today. Head over to lorepit.com and give Lorepit a try.